They said she could see tomorrow before anyone else. But in the kingdom below her hooves, no one could see her heart. The savannah was a kingdom of height and humility. The elephants carried wisdom, the zebras carried unity, the meerkats carried curiosity, and the giraffes, they carried the sky. Among them stood Niara, the tallest of all. She could touch clouds others only dreamed of, birds perched on her horns to see farther, but she was lonely. When she tried to speak, her voice carried down like thunder, too far, too strange. The warthogs laughed, the antelopes ignored her, and the monkeys whispered, "She's too tall to hear the truth." And so Niara learned silence, high, proud, and alone. Our nests are gone, our shelter is lost, no one can reach that high to rebuild it. She's tall enough, but will she help? The tall should not bend for the small. Perhaps the tall were made tall to see who needs help first. Can greatness kneel? Can height become service? Can power become peace? If she keeps lowering her neck, soon the eagles will mistake her for a bush. The tall must stay tall. The sky does not bow to the earth. The world rises and falls. Only kindness keeps it standing. And when greatness fell, kindness rose. The sky is beautiful, but so is the ground that holds it. In the wild, greatness is not measured by height, but by how far one can bend to lift another. Raise your head for vision, but lower your neck for kindness. Perhaps the sky does not belong to the tallest, but to those who share its light, for the world is held not by power, but by those willing to bend.